Have you seen videos like these where people use a red bulb like this intended to light a room to get the health benefits of photobiomodulation, aka red light therapy? Would this even work? Hi, I'm Dr. Chen. Welcome to the LUMEBOX channel where we share science-based information about red light therapy, and be sure to grab our free guides in the caption to help you avoid making the common mistakes that I see people make over and over again with red light therapy. So here is an incandescent bulb. The way it produces light is there's a little filament inside that heats up and generate light. Now, to turn this light, which is usually white light, which is full spectrum, into red light only, you just tint the glass, which is what you can see here. So the bulb itself is still emitting all the different wavelengths, the full spectrum of light, but what's visible to us is orange and red because of the tint on the glass. Now, if all you need is a nice relaxing ambience and to avoid blue light in the evening, which has been shown to affect our sleep, then this could work. But what this will not do is it will not rejuvenate your skin, it will not reduce inflammation, it will not reduce pain, and all the other benefits you may have heard that red light therapy can do. And here's why. The light that comes out of a bulb like this scatters everywhere. This is why it's used for lighting purposes. You want the light to scatter so it lights up the entire room. But this is not what you want when you need the light to penetrate through your skin into tissue for healing. You want light with a narrow beam angle, which will penetrate better. The other thing that's really important is wavelengths of light can determine the efficacy. The wavelengths from these bulbs are all over the place because the red appearance is achieved by a tint on the glass. It's not achieved through lab verified methods of emitting red and near infrared light. The two wavelengths that have the most robust evidence for health benefits. In fact, you're unlikely to get much infrared light from incandescent bulbs because they usually emit such a broad spectrum of wavelengths that infrared and red is just a very tiny band within that broad wavelength range. Now, in a red light therapy device like the LUMEBOX, LED bulbs are third-party tested to emit specific wavelengths. So here you can see near infrared, which is usually not visible to the naked eye, but it shows up on camera as purple. This is 850 nanometer. This is red, which is 650 nanometer. We also have combined mode where you can combine both wavelengths together. Now, these are the wavelengths that have been studied to bring about health benefits like skin rejuvenation, supporting collagen production, reducing inflammation and pain, tissue healing. The light that comes out of these bulbs is also refracted to ensure that it has a narrow beam angle. This means that the light does not scatter and is more likely to penetrate into tissue where these specific wavelengths can now bring about cellular processes like activating our mitochondria to produce more energy in the form of ATP, improving blood flow, reducing inflammation, and aid our body's natural healing processes and more. So how about these types of bulbs? They're marketed as LED bulbs, so can you just use those instead? Well, the advantage here is that the wavelengths are more likely to be in the spectrum of red and near infrared and more precise, but even then it's very hard to know what the exact wavelengths are of the LED bulbs. Also, the same issue with scatter exists. So a bulb shaped like this is going to scatter light in all different directions. So this is great for lighting a room, but it's not going to be great if you want tissue healing. Last but not least, power in irradiance matters. Most of these bulbs don't generate nearly enough irradiance for meaningful health benefits. So I would like to encourage you to think of light as a nutrient. If you supplement with a nutrient, let's say vitamin D, the quality matters, the absorption matters, the amount matters. Not all vitamin D is made the same. You can get some pretty cheap ones on the market and they won't contain nearly the amount they say they do on the bottle, and they won't do anything for you. It's false economy. So if you're wanting to try red light therapy for skin rejuvenation, inflammation, pain, tissue healing, make sure you look for a device that's been third-party tested for irradiance, wavelengths, EMF, registered with the FDA. LUMEBOX ticks all of these boxes, and in the caption we've included a special discount to get $260 off when you're ready to join the LUMEBOX family and start enjoying the health benefits of red light therapy from a high quality device. I can't wait to see you on inside.